virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter. Let us try to get the thorough knowledge of 5-digit numbers in today's lecture. That is number work part 2. Okay, in number work part 1 we have studied about 4-digit numbers, that is up to 1000, right? Today we will move to 10,000s place. Okay, dear children, see this. Look at the symbols and read the number they make. Here in the first picture you can see the beads, right, in different places. You know, this is unit place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place. And we can see different number of beads. See here in the unit place we can see only one bead, right? We will write here. And in the tens place we can see 2 beads, isn't it? Then in hundreds place we can see 1 bead again. We will write here. And in thousands place 2 beads, correct? And in 10,000s place we can see 4 beads. Say numbers. I will write here. Okay, see this means 42121, that is nothing but 42,121, isn't it? Because now we know how to read these 5-digit number. This 2 in 2000s place and 4 is in 10,000s place. They together make 42,000, isn't it? So 42,121, right? See dear children here. Again unit, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s place we can see, and different beads also, right? In unit place we can see 1 bead, and in tens, hundreds and thousands place there are no beads at all, right? And in 10,000s place there are 5 beads. So we have to omit these 3 places while writing in words. So directly we can write like this here, 50,001. We have not mentioned about hundreds and tens place, correct? Here 50, 0, here 5 and here 0, so 50,001. Now we will move to third one. See here in the unit place so many beads, that is 6 beads are there, and in tens place 2 beads, hundreds place nothing is there, in thousands place also no beads we can see, right? And in 10,000s place we can see 6 beads. The number is like this, correct? 62006. Now you know that after 3 digits from right side we have to give comma, so that it will become very easy to read the number, right? So here 60 became one group, and this 0 to 6, that is another group. You know, this is in unit, tens and hundreds place, right? Now 60 in one group means that is 60,026, because in hundreds place nothing is there, right? So we will write here 60,026. Okay, now to the last. Here in the unit place nothing is there, tens place and hundreds place also have no beads at all. In thousands place we can see 1, and in 10,000s place you can see 3 beads. So directly we can write like this, that is nothing but 31,000, right? Because here in hundred, tens and unit place 0 0 0 we can see. Okay, I hope you understood about this, right? This is nothing but a 5-digit number, means up to 10,000's place. Now dear children, write numbers in proper columns and write them in words. Here we will draw a table and we have numbers. Okay, now you know that here this is units place, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000's place, right? We will write this given number in proper columns. Here 4, the last digit, that is in unit place, right? 8, the next one is in tens place. Then 7, the next to 8 is in hundreds place, and then 6 in thousands place and 3 in 10,000's place. Okay, now we have written all these numbers in proper places as it is given in the number, right? Now we have to write this given number in words. Dear children, here this is unit, separate column, tens also separate column, hundreds also has the separate column, but here thousands and 10,000s, we have to combine them. Okay, here we have to join them. This is 3 and this is 6, so here 30,000 this is, and this is really 6,000, so together they make 36,000 because they are of same category. This is also 1,000, this is also 1,000, but the place is 10,000, right? So here 30 plus this is 6 together make 36. So while writing 36,784, like this we have to write. Please see here, 36,784. Okay, this you must have to do. Okay, one more we will try. See here again 80976. 6 is in the unit place. I will write here. Then 7 in tens place and 9 in hundreds place. Then 0 in thousands place and 8 in 8,000 place. Now our turn is to write this given number in words. Again we have to follow the same procedure. 8 is in 10,000's place and 0 is in thousands place, isn't it? So we will combine these two figures. That became 80 plus 0 is nothing but 80, isn't it? Correct? Any confusion? Here 8 is in 10,000's place, isn't it? So I am taking here 80,000 it is, right? Here this is 0,000. Together it make 80,000. So we will write here 80,976. Okay. We will move further. Read the numbers and write them in words. We have to read the number first, then we have to write same thing in words. Now dear children, after a 3-digit comma is there, means 71 is in one group. Correct? And you know what is that 71? Yes. So here we will write 71,962. Am I right? 71,962. Correct? Now we'll move to second one. Again same thing. We can see here 5 digits and 98 is one group because we have given comma here. And after that 3 digits are there, that we know, that is 100, tens and unit place. Correct? So 98,607. Nothing is there in tens place, So directly we can write 7. Correct? See, 98,607. We'll move. Write the biggest number that can be made using the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. See, dear children, please try to understand the given sentence. Okay, write the biggest number that can be made using the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. Means here they have given us 5 digits. These digits we have to use to make the biggest number by this. Okay. The simple and the very easiest method is that we have to select the bigger number first and we have to move towards the smaller numbers. Here the biggest number is 8, then comes 7, then comes 5, then 3, then the smallest number in these given number is 1. Isn't it? So we can write like that. Then it becomes the biggest number made by these given numbers. So our biggest number is 8, 7, 5, 3, 1. That is 87,531. Okay, got this? Here biggest number is asked. So we have taken the big number first and we move towards the smaller number. If they have asked the smallest number, means what we have to do? We have to write first the small numbers, then we have to move towards the bigger numbers. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. Means 13,578. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. Write 5 numbers keeping the smallest of 7, 5, 9, 2, 1 in the unit place. Dear children, we have to make 5 numbers, okay, of 5 digits. And what to keep in mind? This 1, this is the smallest, isn't it? It is written here, keeping the smallest of these numbers in the unit place. Means 1 should be in the unit place. We cannot change the unit place. The unit place must have 1. Okay, we will begin. Same procedure we will follow because it is very easy. We will try to write the numbers that begin with a bigger number. That is 9 here. Correct? 9, then 7, then 5, then 2, then 1. That we will write first. From bigger to smaller. 97,521. Now what we will do? We cannot change this 1, correct, unit place. So we can change these 2 places. Hundreds and tens place. See here, 97,251. Only I exchange the places of these 2 numbers. Right? These 2 numbers we got. Now next, again we will take 95,271. Here I change the place of this 5 and here 7. Exchange the places. Now what I will do? Here again I will change this 2, 7 as 72. See here. Okay. Only you have to exchange the places while making like these numbers. The last one again. These 2. 92,571. Not to touch this unit place because it is given that not to change the unit place. That should contain the smallest digit. Right? That is nothing but 1. Okay. Now we'll move to the third question. Using each of the digits 6, 9, 4, 7, 3 only once, write 6 5-digit numbers. Means we have to make 6 numbers and each number must contain 5 digits. Isn't it? So again we will go through the same method because it is very easy while learning. 9, 7, 6, 4, 3 from bigger to smaller. Now here no condition is there that unit place must have this number, that number, no, right? We can use all these numbers. The only one condition is that we have to use these given numbers only once, not to take the same number twice. Okay? Okay, 97,643. Now we will exchange the place of 4 and 3. Very easy. And we will make 97,634. Okay, means 97 we kept as it is. Right? Now the next number we will make like this, 97,463. Only we are changing the place of these 3 digits, isn't it? 97,463. Now what we will do? 97,436. Correct? Only you can change the places of these 2 numbers, last 2 numbers. Then next, what we will do? 97,364. I have taken 3 in the hundreds place. Now again we will change these 2 places. 97,346, isn't it? We got 6 numbers. Each number is of 5 digits. Very simple. Not to make confusion while writing these numbers. If you go by this method, that is from bigger to smaller, if we write first, then we can change the places of 2 or 3 digits side by side. Okay? See, this is a table. Number is given. We will write the numbers according to their places. That is 2, 8, 5, 0, 3. You know how to write this in words too, right? This is nothing but 30,582. Isn't it? Okay. Now dear children, see here in the unit place 2 is there. Means we can write 2u. Right? And 8 is there in tens place. So in the short form you can write 8t. In hundreds place 5 is there. So we will write 5h. And in thousands place 0 is there, so thousands is there, th, isn't it? And in 10,000s place 3 is there, so 3th means 3/10,000. When we add all these numbers, what we get? We get 30,582. This we know by this table, because only we have written the same number in table form. Correct? That is nothing but 30,582. Isn't it? Okay. Now we will write the same these numbers by using the digits. 2 unit. Unit means 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 is nothing but 2. Right? 2 unit means 2, isn't it? Now 8 tens. Tens means 10. 8 into 10, that is 80. Correct? 5 into 100, that is 500. 0 into 1000, how much? That is 0. Because we know that when we multiply 0 with any number, we get 0. Correct? Now in the last figure, that is 3/10,000. So we will write 30,000. That is nothing but 30,000, isn't it? 3TTH means 30,000. When we add all these, what we get? We get the same thing, that is 30,582. Yes, this is the number given, and this is the one more form of this number. Means here the same number is written in long form. Correct? That form is called as expanded form of a number. What we call expanded means lengthier. उसको खींच के लंबा किया है. The number is same, but we have written in its expanded form. Got this, children? We will practice this now. Write the numbers in their expanded form. Expanded means in the long form. See, dear children, here we know 0 is in unit place, 9 in tens place, one more 9 that is in hundreds place, 5 is in thousands place, and 4 is in 10,000s place. Only one time I am going to write this. Okay. Now here you know the expanded form now. 4 is in 10,000s place, right? 5 is in thousands place. So what we will write? 4TTH means 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 0. Because we know this is according to their places. Right? This is nothing but expanded form of this given number. Now we'll move to the second one. That is, again you know the places. 6 is in 60,000. 6 is in 10,000s place. Right? 8 is in thousands place. The another 8 is in hundreds place. And that is 60, and this is 9. Correct? So we will write like this. 60,000 plus 8,000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 9. Am I right? Now we'll move to third one. 99,899. Correct? So here 90,000 plus 9,000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 9. Isn't it? Very nice. Only one thing you have to do is that here 4 you can see here, and how many digits you can see in front of that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So directly you can give 4 zeros. This is the shortcut method. Here 5 is there, and in front of 5 how many digits are there? 3. So in front of 5 you can give 3 digits, 3 zeros. In front of 9 you can give 2 zeros. In front of 9 you can give 2 zeros because only 2 numbers are there, and in front of this 9 only 1 zero because only 1 digit is there. Got this, children? This is the shortcut method, but you must know this method also. Now the next thing is write the place value of the underlined digit. Here we can see 4 digits, right? And please see these underlines. Correct? Now dear children, in the first digit, that is 9,991, we will go through the place value. See, this 9 has underline, first 9. So what is the place here? That is nothing but thousands place. You know this, correct? Means 9 is in thousands place. So it is 9TH. 9TH means 9,000. That we can write in numbers like this. 9 into 1000, that is 9,000. You know now, correct? Now in the second one, 8 has underline. Now 8 is in hundreds place. Am I right? So we will write 8 8h. 8h is nothing but 800. Correct? Now next one, 0 has underline and 0 is in tens place. 10 means only 1 0, right? Here we will write first 0t. 0t means when we multiply 0 by any number, then we get 0. So we will write 0 0. If you write 1 0 or if you write 10 zeros, the value is same. And the last one, 3 has underline and 3 is in 10,000s place. What is the meaning here? 3TTH. That is nothing but 3 10,000 means 3 multiplied by 10,000, that is equal to 30,000. Am I right? Yes? I hope you understood about the place value. We have to observe the digit, we have to observe the place of that digit, and after that we have to confirm the place value of that digit. Now here we will go through one number and we will operate this number. Okay. Now here 8445, simple number is there, right? Now see this, I will write once again. Now 5 is in unit place, isn't it? 4 is in tens place, 8 again 4 is in hundreds place, and 8 is in thousands place. This we know. Okay. Now the value of 5, which is in unit place, the value is how much? 5, isn't it? The place value of this digit, that is 5, is 5 because it is in unit place, and we multiply 5 by 1 because it is in unit place, isn't it? Now we will move to tens place. Here tens place means 4 into 10. 4 tens are, that is 40. Okay, see how I am writing this. Then hundreds place, what is there? 4 is there. So 4 multiplied by 100, that is 400, right? And next is 8 multiplied by 1000 because 8 is in thousands place. So 8 into 1000, that is nothing but 8000. Yes, dear children, when we add all these numbers, what we will get? Okay, this is unit place. First we will add this. 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 5. Second, the tens place, 4 plus 0 plus 0, that is 4. Am I right? Next, in hundreds place, 4 plus 0, that is 4. And in thousands place, only 8 is there, so we will write 8 here. See, please check the number. This number and the given numbers are same, right? So what we did here, this is expanded form of 8445 is nothing but 8000 plus 400 plus 40, right, plus 5. Means if we write in this form or in this form, the number will remain same. Only the form changes. Correct? If you have given this form, can you write the simple form of the expanded form? Yes? We'll see here. Write the number from its expanded form. See, dear children, expanded form is given here. We must have to write the simple form of the number. Come on, tell me. 300 plus 90 plus 8 is equal to, correct, 398. Because just now we gone through the example of 8445, isn't it? Okay, very good. The next number is 7000 plus 00 plus 60 plus 4. Means here in hundreds place 0 should be there. Right? Means we can write 7 0 6 4. Isn't it? Our answer is 7064. Correct? Here 0 should be there in hundreds place. Don't directly write 7 and 764. Then it will become 764. That becomes wrong one. Okay. Third one. 5000 plus 700 plus 0 plus 0. Come on. Tell me the real value. Very good. Here in the unit place and in the tens place 0 must be there. See dear children, here only 1 0 is given in the unit place. In the tens place also only 1 0 has given. Then also you must have to consider this is 0 in tens place. It may be a single 0 or it may be 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros. The value will remain always 0. Okay. So here 5700. See dear children, in the unit place and in the tens place, what is there? 0 is there. Correct? Thank you dear children. Now in the next part, that is number word part 3, we will learn about odd numbers, even numbers, ascending order, descending order, etc. Okay? Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.